As you guys saw in our last video, we installed our OZUSA LED lights. OZUSA LED are some of the highest quality LED lights you can affordably buy. For just under $100, I can definitely say I'm quite impressed by the LED quality. With having an older vehicle for off-road adventures, it became pretty obvious we needed an upgrade. In the center, we have the OZUSA M Series 20-inch ultra slim dual color LED light bar. And at the corners of the bumper, we have a pair of 6-inch dual color LED light bars. I'll leave the specs and functions in the description below for you guys to read, but for now, let's see how much these lights improve our field of vision. So Vanessa obviously hasn't seen the lights yet, so let's go ahead and turn it on.
Okay, here we go. Whoa, that is bright. That was, oh, that's cool. Kind of like that light better. Ooh, flash it again. It's blinding. Do it the yellow one, there you go. I like that look. I think that's my favorite look, like just the yellow, not so like bright, but I mean like, I feel like we're gonna obviously need the brighter light when it's dark, but I would be rocking this like while we're on the trails. It's pretty sick. I'm a little blinded now though, so you could I need some sunglasses. Hi guys, so today is Wednesday. We decided to check out a trail because Elgene hit us up and he's pretty local, so he's actually right in front of us right now. And we're going to Otay.
We're gonna go to Otay Mountain Truck Trail again. We're gonna check it out and see if it's open. If it is, then I guess we're gonna be able to test out our
lights.
Yeah, test out our new lights that we got installed like a week ago.
Yes. So that is what we're doing. And there's a lot of fires going on. So actually, I believe Mark tried one of the trails the other day and it was closed, so hopefully this one's open. We'll have to wait and see.
With the trail open, we decided to air down and drive on up. Here is a look at our standard headlights, now with the 20-inch light bar, and now with the 6-inch light bars. Also note how much wider our field of vision is with the combination of the lights. As you can see from the side-by-side photo, definitely a huge difference with all three lights on in comparison to the standard headlights. Here's what it looks like inside the Outback with the standard lights. Now with the light bar, now with the pod lights, and now all together. During the bumper design process, we agreed on mounting the mini light bars to face slightly outward, therefore increasing our field of vision and expanding our lights' angles for improved down-road visibility during a turn. Well guys, I'm pretty satisfied with these LED lights. There's not really much to complain about besides the fact that I had to get my own wire harness. Now, if you guys were looking into purchasing some LED lights, go ahead and check out their website. Choose whichever lights you want, then add it to the cart. Then during checkout, make sure to add coupon code the.rooted progress for 20% off. Other than that, guys, please give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video review of our OZUSA LED lights. Peace out and keep on trekking.